Yo, what's up? Welcome back. I got something to show you guys. So I recently acquired this E36 325i automatic, but still we can work with it. It needs some work, as you can see. The rear window is cracked, but overall it's a pretty good car. There's some damage in the front, as you can see. Yeah, the minor accident, but yeah, that's not too bad. I got this car in a crazy good deal, so yeah, it was too good to pass on. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do to it. On another note, I'm probably not keeping this car because it's quite expensive to run, so it will be for sale in a couple of weeks. We're gonna start with the hood. It doesn't open. I guess the pins that hold it in are bent, so I'm either gonna jerk it open, and if that doesn't work, I'll use the grinder. It's trash anyway. It's bent. It doesn't look too bad, but yeah, as you can see here, it's just not worth it to put money into, or work, or time. So yeah, let's get to it. Oh, alright. So we got 4 of these bolts. They're 8mm on the bottom, on each side. This is like the tray that's under there, like this. No, like what? Yeah, it's under there like this. So on both sides, can't miss it. Be sure to remove those, or the whole bumper will stuck, and it's a nightmare to remove. Alright, so that's that. Now next up, to remove the bumper, you need to remove 2 13mm nuts here and 2 over here. So you have to just pop this off, the trim. Here by hand, here it's gonna need a screwdriver. Alright. Just be gentle, so we don't scratch it. Like this, just pull on it, and then this just slides out like this. All right. As you can see here, our 13mm bolts, nuts. So in theory, the bumper should come off now, but as you can see, this car has fog lights, so we're going to disconnect those first, so we don't strip the wires or anything. Let's see if I can reach it. Alright, yeah, I can feel in here with my hand. 2 clips that you press to the side, and you can take the bulb out. As you can see, I can move this. All right. All right, here we go. Oh, as you can there, I believe that is a heat sensor for the air outside. All right. So here we have the bumper. All right, so this is what we have now. As you can see, it looks like this car actually has an oil cooler from factory, which is pretty cool. I've not seen that before on the E36. So next up is taking out the headlights, this tray, the blinkers. Let's do it. All right, so now we're gonna take out the headlights. Also very easy. So first, don't forget to unplug them. So it's like a twisting connector. Just twist it, comes right off. You can't really do anything wrong. And then you have these bolts, one here, There's one down there and one down there behind the blinker. So the blinker we have to remove first. In order to do that, it's clipped onto the headlight, so you need like a long screwdriver to push against a tab, and then they slide out and you can disconnect them. So I'll show you. It's really easy normally. So yeah, you can't really see it, but it's so down there. You go with a screwdriver and you press a tab like this or like that, and they should come out. There are our blinkers. Just going to put them in the car. This, as you can see, I don't know, maybe it's too dark, but this car has a beautiful interior. It's like full leather sport seats, heated, with a leather support for your elbow. It's really nice. Just as you can see, yeah, the soft top is a bit moldy, but it's gonna get cleaned. It's gonna good look as. Right, that's one. There's two. There's three. And number 4 is right there. All right. So let's see if we can get this one out. A little bit more room. So what you do is, I move them to the outside, lift them up here, so the corner like this, and then you should be able to slide them out, just like this. Oh, yeah. Then unscrew the electrics. No, tight. All right, that's one. And then there's one more. I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's probably to change my electric grid. All right, so here we have one headlight. So now we're gonna have to remove this piece. I don't even know what it's called in English. Over here, literally translated, we call it the kidney holder, or the grill holder. So 2 8mm down here on each side. Then you have to loosen these. And these, they're I don't know what size, but they're Torx bolts. And the 2 annoying ones are down here. As you can, I don't know if you can see. There's one here and one here. They are 10mm. Back here, also on both sides. They're a bit hard to get to from the front, so you're better off going in like from the back. Because on this side, the airbox is in the way and the headlight's in the way. So this is gonna be, I guess I'm gonna have to remove the airbox just for a second. All right. There's one. There's 2. There's 3. And there's 4. Now, so the 2 8mm, you have to reach from the bottom. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but there are one here and one there. So I use a long extension to hit them from the bottom. All right. So like this. And they're pretty tight. Put it on the heavy mode. Alright. And they come right out. There's one. And there is 2. Alright. So as you can see, the front of an E36 is actually pretty easy. It's like the majority are these 8mm bolts. So usually they're not too tight, but thing is with these they can rust like really bad. And on this car it's alright. It's not a rusty chassis at all, but if you've got a shit box, then it can be a nightmare to get to those bolts, or you just strip them, and yeah, we all know that sucks. Alright, 10 mils. So what I do is you can reach them from here or from the back. It really depends on what's already on the car, but alright, you can reach them like this. Oh, and the ratchet disappeared. Here it is. Alright. Okay, that's one. Yeah, and here I just can't reach it because it's bent a little bit. Oh no, I got it. Alright. Alright. So this is where we got. The front end is off, the lights are off, the hood is off. The engine looks pretty good. M50B25, you know, the really famous engine. Just as you can see, the front, I think this is bent inside, so I'm gonna see if I can pull it out, and otherwise I'll have to replace that as well. It's not too much work, but I'd rather not. But I'm gonna do it decent on this car, so might as well do it properly the first time. Yeah, so that's where we're at today, and yeah, see you next time.